What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Kyosho USA-1. Yes, this is the USA-1 1/8 scale electric model. They also have a nitro, but I wanted mine in electric. I didn't want it in nitro. It's a Monster Jam truck. It's a licensed body. Everett Jasmine drove it in 1988 in the TNT National Championships for the monster trucks. I really did want this for a while and just finally decided to get it. Thought I would bring it to you guys to let you see it on my channel. Let's look at the start on the outside of the box to check out what it comes with. Here's the outside of the box. You got a Torx 8 Plus 2300 kV motor. Also come with a 4S Kyosho ESC. I don't know the ampage to it really. To the side that's better because it's in English. You got a Metal Gear servo with high torque. Comes with big bore aluminum oil filled shocks. Axles in the front and the rear. And it got 4-gear differentials front and rear. Comes with a 5-link suspension. It comes with a brushless motor and chain drive. Comes with the transmitter and the receiver, the Kyosho 2.4 gigahertz radio, which is a pretty good radio. I'll give it that much. It's a pretty good radio because I have a couple of Kyosho RCs and that radio got nice range to it. It responds great. Also has a 20-piece full ball bearings throughout the truck. You make it smooth. Now let's pull her out the box to see what she looks like. All right, here go what comes in the box. You got the manual. You got the bind plug. Yeah, this is the manual. You got some stickers. There we go. We got some stickers. It goes on the lights that go on the roof of the car. I guess they give you a choice which ones you want to put up there. Also comes with L wrenches, and it comes with a tire wrench. You got 2 separate ones. I don't know what this second one is for. You got 2 tire wrenches. You got 4 L wrenches. Comes with the Kyosho transmitter and receiver. Here go the lights that go on top of the car. I don't know if I'm gonna put that on there because you know if you flip, you're gonna mess them up. You could put lights in them and everything. You got the place for the lights in the back. But now for the beautiful car. It's sitting all low, but see they got something holding it on. Let me cut those off real quick. You got dog bones. They go to the center drive shaft. They go to servo right there. The axles. This thing looks nice. inside of the car. These tires are nice and soft. Real deep in there. That's why you need that long wrench. I'm gonna color this word white. But look at the body. They come with mirrors. Those real mirrors come with mirrors. You got the engine sticking out, engine poking out the top of the car, give that muscle look. I like the grill. Also, you can put light LEDs in this car, and you know I'm gonna put LEDs in the car. It take 4. Look like it take 8. I'm gonna have to take the body off to be able to tell. Look at those beefy axles. Oh yeah, we got the mirrors. They got the mirrors. 2 mirrors, plastic. Oh, that's loose. I don't know how they work really. I'll have to let me take the body off, see how that works. On the inside of the body, it's held on by clips, body clips. So you can take them off. Just in case you're gonna bash hard, you don't want to mess it up, take it off. Okay, now, yes, you need 4 lights for the front. I mean 8. 4 on each side. For the bottom, looks like just 1. I mean 2. Damn. 1 on each side. This is a nice body. American made. America needs the Spirit of Christ. Okay. That's nice though. Pray for our troops. Oh, they dedicated this completely to Americans and our soldiers. Now we're on the inside of the truck. You got the battery trays. It take 2 2S LiPo batteries. This tray looks kind of small, but I had some 2S batteries that'll fit right in there. But I don't think I got any Deans. I might swap this out. Put the XT90s in it. They go to shock mount. It don't have, this is, I guess this is considered the shock tower. You got the wheelie bar in the back. Yeah, look at that suspension. I can't wait to take this out. The sway bars. Where's the sway bars? I guess this is the sway bar, huh? I found the sway bars. You got aluminum shock, oil-filled shocks. They look pretty beefy. Shocks look a little beefy there. And here go the motor with the chain, the drive chain. They don't give you an extra pinion. You got everything in there snug. Nice and snug. I like when they give you easy access to the receiver box. Just pop this and come right out. Real easy access to the receiver. Oh, it got it all cushioned up in there. Don't pop off easy neither. Got a little foam pad in there, I guess, to protect it. Cool. See that? They got it all wrapped up. I don't know if I'm gonna leave that in there. I mean, that's smart though. Leave that in there to give it cushion, so if you hit, you know, you bashing it or jumping in it, don't be shaking around. So I guess that's smart. It's a different layout for me because I'm not used to really monster trucks. I got the LMT. But this is made totally different than the LMT. Totally different. Let me move the phone. Look like you could put dual motors in here. They got 2 motor mounts. This gear look like it's plastic. Yeah, this is a plastic gear. I'm gonna upgrade that gear. I don't like plastic gears for cars. This center gear is plastic. We don't like plastic. It's not a bad car. I wanted one for a while. Yeah, this car look epic. It's like they took their time on the body. It looks perfect. I like how they got the The back cab blacked out. Instead of just, you know, making it one color, you got it blacked out. It's a real scale. Look, this is a, what is this, a 1/8 scale RC? I mean, it's pretty big. It's pretty big. Bigger than I thought it would be. It's bigger than my LMT, a little bigger than my LMT. I'm going to do a comparison. After a couple days of me driving it, I'm going to do a comparison to the LMT. But this is supposed to be faster. I don't think it's going to be as durable, but we shall find out. I'm not going to abuse this like that. This is a beautiful car. I'm not going to. So is the LMT. So is the LMT, but I'm not going to really do too much with this. Too much bashing. Oh, that's a lie. I'm going to bash the shit out this car. I mean, that's just me. I'm going to do a speed test on it and everything so I can get that exact number. The main thing I want to see, and everybody else want to see, I want to see how I drive. Let's take it out for a spin. All right, I got it hooked up. I like how they did this, because you can just take this off instead of in just run one battery. Only thing, this battery tray really, it don't even close to doesn't close tight enough. A lot of flex in there. I guess that's fine. But I like this, how they made this. I'm not going to switch this over because you can change it just one battery. Just got to get a small 3S battery to fit in this compartment right here. That's no problem. Let's cut her on to see how she sounds. Where's the switch? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, servo is not that strong. Pretty good though. I guess it's good enough. All right, let's take her out for a spin. All right, we got the US-1 out. It's a Willie King already, I see. Oh yeah, you see that suspension? Oh, the neck. Oh, the suspensions. Reverse ain't bad. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That wheelie bar really not working. Yeah, this thing handles pretty good. I gotta adjust the steering though. I'm only doing one-handed, so it ain't gonna be like how I would normally do it. Lift it. Oh my God. Oh God.